In this video, we'll look at how to present and transition between views using NavigationView. This allows us to push and pop views like a navigation stack. To use it, simply wrap your root view in NavigationView. Then we can push new views using the navigation link. We're going to create a view to navigate to. Let's create a new file called redview. Tapping on the button will slide in the new view. Next up, sheet. This presents a modal view in a sheet style. We can show it by adding sheet to any view. To dismiss the sheet, we need to toggle the binding to false. Moving on to FullScreenCover. As the name suggests, this presents a modal view that covers the entire screen. Finally, alert. This displays a pop-up alert window.